The Leeds Manufacturing Festival is a very generic title, and that's deliberately so because it covers a wide range of activities. So this may be a visit round a factory by a school, it may be a manufacturer going into a school to talk directly to classes, it may consist of offering work experience to young people from school. In its essence, it is manufacturers interacting with young people in the city. When we talk to the sponsors who've already sponsored us, they tell us that it's been exceedingly valuable for them. It's been valuable in terms of the contacts they've raised within manufacturing, and they feel it's valuable for their business just by giving something back.
Leeds Manufacturing Festival is a new idea, something quite innovative. We wanted to be part of that to gain a greater understanding of manufacturing in the city and also to share our experience of manufacturing with other manufacturers.
Well, for the EAF, we are the voice of manufacturing for Britain and in Europe. We know that skills is the main thing which is going to stop UK PLC from reaching its full potential. So why wouldn't we do this? It's a great thing to do.
And it's important to the bank purely because we want to support grassroots skills into manufacturing. What the Leeds Manufacturing Festival is doing is actually introducing young people into manufacturing and promoting it as a good career to have, and we believe that that will actually help bridge the skills gap as we go forward.
We are an organisation that helps businesses to grow across the whole of Leeds city region, so that's all of Leeds and its surrounding areas. We particularly focus on the manufacturing sector, so this was an ideal festival to get involved in. Just about getting that message out there. This is not a sector in decline, this is a sector that's growing, it's a sector that's very diverse and technology led.
We have to be getting younger people into engineering and manufacturing at a very young age because they're our talent pipeline. There's so much opportunity within engineering and manufacturing. Leeds' best kept secret.
Sponsorship will be publicised through the website, through all the literature that we've got, all the conferences we're doing and through all the networking. So there's a lot of opportunity to get out there.
I thought the marketing and the coverage for any companies involved and the main sponsors I thought was very good this year, and that can only improve next year going forward. It's just a great way to give something back to a sector and the city region that maybe the sector gets a little bit forgotten about now and again.
We've gone for Leeds Manufacturing Festival because it's going on all year round. It's a continual series of things celebrating the strength of manufacturing in Leeds and opening our doors to the young people of Leeds.